Welcome everybody, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to introduce yourself in Arabic. I'm gonna try a new method. I don't know if it will be good or not. I would like to know your opinion in the comments, okay? So let's get started. So now I wanna write, this is my family in Arabic. Let's write it first in English. This is. Okay, let's start by this word. I'm gonna write it word by word. So this is هذه. هذه. Let's write هذه. He. And then I have the. I pronounce this th like the th in the word the. هذه. 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 This. Okay. And then I'm not gonna write this. And I'll explain you now why. My family is أسرتي. أسرتي. So I'm gonna start in black because we write family first. So I'm gonna write أسرتي. أسرة. أسرة. The word أسرة, it means family. Okay. And then to say my family, which is أسرتي. أسرتي. So this is the possessive pronoun, which is my. Okay. And the word أسرة, which is here, this is family. Okay, pay attention. If you want to just say the word family in Arabic, it is أسرة. أسرة. Okay. What is the story of this T here? Okay, this is another topic. But remember now, if you want to say أسرتي, it means my family. هذه أسرتي. This is my family. So what is verb to be? In this situation in Arabic, we don't use verb to be. So we don't need verb to be here when we think in Arabic. If you want to think in Arabic, you say this, my family. This, my family. هذه أسرتي. Now I want to say it's me, or this is me. So هذا أنا. هذا أنا. I'm gonna write now in Arabic, in English, but what I say in Arabic. So هذا. ها. So I say the. You know the, like in English, when you say the, you pronounce the th. You must touch your tongue with your upper teeth to say the. But I'm gonna add here a. So هذا. هذا. This one means like it's or this. Okay. أنا. أنا, which is me. Let's write me here. أنا. How is it? It is like this. na. هذا أنا. How many syllables here I have? I have ها, ذا, na. هذا أنا. هذا أنا. هذا أنا. This is me. It's me. My name is Peter. My name is Peter. Okay. So اسمي. Let's see. اسمي. Is me. Ismi. I have how many syllables here? I have me. So ismi, it means my name. Ismi. It's one word, but if we translate it in English, it will be my name. Why? Because here I have, pay attention to this, I have the word name, which is ism. So ism, like, let's put this here, from here to the M. This is the word ism. It means name. And when you add this is possessive pronoun, which is my. This that I add in the end of the word. Anyway, this is not our point now. Just try to memorize it like this. Ismi, which is my name. And then you add your name after here. Whatever your name. Okay, so هذا أنا. This is me. It's me. Ismi, my name. Peter. We don't use here verb to be, because in English you say my name is. No, we are not gonna say is here. It is just my name Peter. Okay, let's go and let's check the second example. Now you're gonna introduce your sister. So you wanna say, this is my sister, and then you add the name. So this is, what is this is? It is هذه, هذه. Again, let's write it here. Again, ha, and then I say what? Ha. Let's write each syllable alone. Ha, the, you must pronounce the th like in the word the. Okay, you must touch your tongue with your upper teeth. So هذه, هذه, he, هذه, هذه. Pay attention. In the previous example, I said what? I said هذا. You remember? Ha, the, right? So هذا or هذه, they mean this is, okay? But I use هذا for masculine and هذه for feminine, okay? Now I'm gonna introduce my sister, so I'm gonna use this one. So if you are gonna introduce your brother, you'd say هذا. Sister, هذه. هذه أختي. أختي. Let's write. أختي is my sister. Okay. So I say U, and I say أخ. This letter doesn't exist in English. Okay. So I'm gonna write it as it is in Arabic. We pronounce it like you know when a person snores. So أخ, أخ, أخ. Okay. أختي. 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 Sometimes this letter is written in English like KH. أختي. أختي. Okay? So, pay attention. The word sister, it is just أخت. Until here. So, أخت, it means sister. But when I add E, this is possessive pronoun. It means my. So that's why it is my sister. My sister. أختي. هذه أختي. هذه أختي. This is my sister. And then you add here the name. Okay? هذه أختي. هذه أختي. And now let's say this is my brother. This one, it will be easy. So this is, or هذا. هذا. This is. Don't forget that we don't use the verb to be in this case. I say this my brother. This my brother. If you want to think in Arabic, so it is this my brother. هذا أخي. 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 Let's see. أخي. And then we have that letter that we said we pronounce it like okay? أخي. We have two syllables here. أخي. 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 Okay? أخي. أخي. So the word brother, it is just أخ. أخ. أخ is brother. And this is a possessive pronoun. My brother. أخي. هذا أخي. This my brother. This my brother. Let's go and check another example. This is my mother. This is my mother. هذه mother. My mother. How to be أمي. So I'm gonna say what? Like this. And then I say me. I have two syllables. So me. The word mother, it is just here is just This is mother. And the possessive pronoun is my mother. We repeat here the M 2 times, okay, because of the pronunciation. Like when we add the possessive pronoun, so it is easier to pronounce it like this. Ummi. We repeat the M 2 times. هذه أمي. This my mother. This my mother. There is no verb to be. This my mother, which is this is my mother correctly. Let's write this is my father. So let's add here the second example. So okay, هذا أبي, my father. So it is أبي, أبي. So the word father, it is just أب, and this is possessive pronoun. Okay, so هذا أبي, this my father, this my father, which is correctly in English, this is my father. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. So it is هذا. Okay. جدي. Let's say جدي. ج. And then I say جد. جدي. I repeat the D 2 times. So it is جدي. Okay. My grandfather. Possessive pronoun, I added to be my. Okay, جدي. Okay, جدي. Remember that again, the word جد, it is just a grandfather. جد is grandfather. هذا جدي. This my grandfather. هذه جدتي. So I have here هذه جدتي, my grandmother. جدتي. My grandmother. So the word grandmother, okay, it is just جدة. جدة is just a grandmother. Okay, why we added T here, this is another topic, we can talk about it after. Okay, but anyway, so it is جدة is grandmother. If I say جدتي, it means my grandmother. هذه جدتي. This my grandmother. This is my grandmother. So guys, I wish you liked the class. See you in another one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.